Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. These are the best paper deals for the week of February the 1st to the 7th over at Walgreens, and we even have $1.99 paper, which is the time to really stock up. We're looking at this two different ways, curbside and in-store. Curbside means you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, putting in your order, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up. And that is lovingly known as your curbside pickup. For this first deal, because there are a lot of units of paper, get your paper soon so you're very courteous to the employees. You want the employees to love you, don't you? So if you might have this, it's an extra $5 for you guys. This is of a one-time use, so I'm assuming you might have it or you might have used it already. But if you have it, it makes this deal even sweeter. We have $1.50 Walgreens coupon off of each pack of paper, which is fantastic, plus the discount code HEART15 that we can use for this deal, which is really fantastic. So we're going to be grabbing 7 of the Walgreens brand soft bathroom tissue 9 rolls, very similar to Angel Soft, for $35. Or alternatively, you can grab their paper towel, which is going to be the same price point, and that $1.50 digital is attaching. I think most of you know what that paper towel looks like, but we're going to grab 7 for $35. So that'll fill up pretty much an entire cart. So get your order right away, especially for the curbside. And why the curbside is so fantastic is Heart15 is taking an additional $3.71 off. That's just fantastic. And that $1.50 off of one coupon applies 7 times, so $10.50 is melting off. The overall total is $35. We have $14.21 melting off right there with the coupon code and that little digital coupon. A smidge of tax right there. So $22.04 with that $5 coupon. It's a weird, or with the $5, it's a booster, but it's a weird one that you can actually use Walgreens cash. I know it breaks every rule, but it's on any purchase. So for this, in theory, you can use $20 of Walgreens cash, pay $2.04, and if you have that booster, you're going to get $6.75 back, a little bit extra for buying that Walgreens brand product, plus the $5. So what a deal. Okay, so the next two deals that we're looking at, we are specifically in store. So we have our best friend loaded again, if you might have it. It just makes the deal so much better. And this is, again, a unique one that you can actually use Walgreens cash with and get it back, which is, it breaks every rule of what we talk about here every day. But we're going to grab 4 of these P&G paper products. And each of these products have dollar digital coupons. So when you are in store, look for the tag where it says $5.49, buy 4, get back a $5 register reward. And this is the promotion. And each of these items have dollar digitals to go with each product. Grabbing 4, a variation of them, it's $21.96, subtracting $4 in digitals, and have your booster loaded, 5 on any. You're paying $17.96, getting back $5 in Walgreens cash, plus a $5 register reward, making it $7.96 for the 4, or $1.99 per unit of paper, which is really a great deal. I'm going to let you guys know too, this is also part of the spend $35 to earn back a $10 register reward. So $21.96, I mean, you would just grab perhaps some Head and Shoulders, anything to get you to that $35 mark, maybe a Dawn dish soap, but this would be a big chunk of it if you wanted to bulk up a deal, if you might have a paper booster or something like that. But what a deal. Final deal that we're looking at, again, we are in store for this one. If you might have this friend and you really like fancy paper, this is definitely the deal for you. You're going to be grabbing 1 Quilted Northern and 1 Brawny. Both of those items have dollar digital coupons, and they're $6.99 each. $3 register reward when you purchase 2. So 1 of each, it's going to be $13.98, subtracting $2 digital coupons. Have that goofy booster loaded, the 5 on any. You'll pay $11.98, get back a $3 register reward plus $5 in Walgreens cash. for that weird booster. Makes it $3.98 for the 2 or $1.99 per paper product, which is a really great price point for Quilted Northern and Brawny. And if you want to use Walgreens cash for this specific one, if you have that weird booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. You can use up to 10 and you'll earn back 5, which is really, really fantastic. So what a great deal this week for paper. I would definitely stock up, especially if you live in an area that's been getting a lot of snow and stuff and you just need this extra stuff in your household if you're stuck at home for a couple days because of the bad weather. And we've been getting a lot of snow here too. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye.